Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here coming at you with another video. XRP has been listed on KuCoin. Now, if you don't know what KuCoin is, it's a decent sized exchange. According to the exchange listings, it is number 67, so it is a top 100 exchange. I use KuCoin. I know people who do. It's very similar to Binance, but they have a lot of coins that Binance doesn't have, but also Binance has coins that KuCoin doesn't have, and they have officially listed XRP for a variety of different pairings. Ripple XRP is finally listed on KuCoin, a fast-growing exchange based in Hong Kong. This was confirmed in a tweet post addressed to KuCoin users, expressing the exchange's enthusiasm in having a well-performing digital currency like XRP on their platform. This listing comes with a special offer for XRP users who would be trading with the token on KuCoin exchange platform. They will enjoy a 99% discount on the trading fee. Quote, XRP is now on KuCoin. Special offer. Users will enjoy 99% off of trading fees on XRP trading pairs, which is XRP to BTC, XRP to Tether, XRP to Ethereum, XRP to Pax, XRP to TUSD, XRP to USDC, and XRP to KuCoin shares, and XRP to NEO. So a lot of different pairings, which is good because it adds a lot of variety depending on which coins you want to be trading for XRP with. KuCoin is a global blockchain digital exchange platform which has its own cryptocurrency, KCS. Just as Ripple has XRP, it trades on other cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, NEO, USDT, and KCS. The digital asset exchange is known for its fair profit sharing in a distributive system where users holding their token get 50% of all their daily trading revenue. Its system is basically programmed to allow users to earn enormous profits from trading with its primary token on the exchange platform. The progress and successful operation of the exchange could be traced to the fact that it is backed by the experts in the financial field. They are GF Securities, Anti-Financial, Yuling, and iBox Pay. Plans for listing XRP on the exchange have been under deliberation for some time now, but perfected this month. Though KuCoin Exchange is a bit new in the crypto market, it has been able to house so many different digital currencies, including the top ones on its platform. So KuCoin lists as XRP, but Coinbase still hasn't. I mean, it's just getting ridiculous. KuCoin lists it, Coinbase still hasn't. KuCoin is number 67. What is GDAX on here? Probably a bit higher than that. If we go all the way up. Did I miss it? Maybe I missed it. But nonetheless, GDAX is a huge exchange too, which again, GDAX is what is owned with Coinbase. And they still haven't listed it, but KuCoin does. Props to KuCoin for listing a great cryptocurrency. Next up, we have the markets today. A fairly down day again. A lot of billions of dollars shed off the market, currently at $126 billion market cap level. Bitcoin now is at 53.7%. Bitcoin just under 4K, XRP at about 34 cents, Ethereum at $108. Biggest gainer on the day is Decentraland with almost 9%. Biggest loser on the day is Centrality with 24%. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share it, and I'll catch you next time. Have a great day. Be sure to grab a future XRP Millionaire t-shirt. We have a variety of designs and colors. We have the long sleeve shirt. We have your sweatshirt. Got a sweatshirt over there. We have your basic t-shirt, which come in again in a variety of different colors. You get blue, red, gray, slate, all these different colors, and they are quite affordable. Get the baseball tee. Be sure you don't miss out while supplies last.